Hello everyone. I am Asit and today I am here to teach you the next most used and very important tools. Today we are going to learn two most important tools. Pen tool and the other is the curvature tool. Both of these tools are also called Adobe Illustrator's main tools. So let's get started. Welcome back. As I told you, pen is a very important tool in Adobe Illustrator. Whenever you create a drawing, design a logo, business card, flyer, envelope, or whatever, you need these two tools mostly. So, I will not take you into too many boring details. Let's start with how the pen tool works. First, we set the fill and stroke to default. Now we select the pen tool and make a point with a single click. You can see the line that is connected to this point. Let's make another point here too. You see, our line is straight. Now we will draw a curve here. For this, we have to click and drag the mouse a little like this. In this way, we can draw curves in our design. Just remember that, if you single click anywhere you will draw a straight line. If you want a curve you have to click and hold the left mouse button and move the mouse around, like this. One more thing to keep in mind. Our starting point will also be our end point. Only then will our drawing be complete and we will be able to color it. Here I am drawing something like this in front of you, so that you will understand well. Finally, I'm clicking on my starting point. Now our shape is completed. We can now color it. Let's now draw something out of the basics, in which we will learn more in practice. To do this, I copy the Animal Planet logo from Google and then paste it onto my Adobe Illustrator artboard. Like this. If this image is not aligned, go to the Align panel and center it in this way. If you do not see this Align panel here, go to Windows and turn it on from here. Now we will lock this image or any object. For this, you can press Ctrl 2 or go to the Object, Lock, and then press the selection. Our image or selection will be locked. Now it will not move by accidental click and we can easily work on it. Now we zoom in to make the view even better. Set fill and stroke to default. Select pen tool. And from here we increase the stroke size 1 point more. Let's start from here. By clicking here we made the first point. Then here. Now here we have to create a curve. This way we will match it with the shape. You can see, each anchor point we are creating two handles are also formed along with. These handles help us to adjust curves and points later on as needed with the help of a direct selection tool. As you know, if we want to draw a straight line, then we will click and continue. But when we need a curve on the next point again, we will lock one handle by clicking on the last anchor point. Like this. Which defines the next move. Click here and match the line like this. This is how you draw an outline of any shape. One thing to remember. Don't make the points too close. Make points at a distance and in the right place, as I am doing, so that your shape becomes smooth. We have taken the image of Animal Planet logo for reference. And this is raster image. We can't make any change in that. We can't color this image. Can't scale it to higher resolution. But what we're drawing right now is vector form. We can fill it with whatever color we want. Make it smaller or bigger, its pixels will never go bad. From here, I play the video a little faster to save time. Now we are going to close it. And we will complete it by connecting it to our starting point, like this. As I told you earlier, we can adjust these handles with the help of Direct Selection tool and also edit our lines as required. We have done. Now press V on the keyboard or click on the selection tool from here. I'm dragging my shape down like this. Now I can fill any color in it. I turn off the stroke from here. If we want to color our logo or shape the same as the original logo, then we will leave our shape selected. And from here we select this dropper tool and click on the original logo once. So the color of our shape will be the same as the original. Now we unlock our reference image. To do this, press Ctrl-Alt+2 or select Unlock All from here. We no longer need the reference image, so we delete it. Let me quickly tell you about these sub-tools under Pen tool. You can click this small arrow icon in this corner of the Pen tool. Now you can see these three tools here. Add Anchor Point tool, Delete Anchor Point tool and Anchor Point tool. So let's see what these tools do. As usual, we draw a shape here. If we need another anchor point here in the middle, we will take the Add Anchor Point tool. Click here. And you see, we made an anchor point here. Now we can edit it with the Direct Selection tool. Like this. If we want to delete an anchor point, we will select the Delete Anchor Point tool and click on the anchor point that we want to delete. Then it will be deleted. Now let's check the Anchor Point tool. With this tool, we can make an anchor point round like this. Or turn a rounded anchor point into a corner. Like this. I am sure you have understood well. Now we'll move towards the Curvature tool. This is my favorite tool. We have the Animal Planet logo in vector form. We now draw it again with the help of the Curvature tool. This will give you an idea of the difference between pen and curvature tools. So let's select the logo and lock it. Now we select the Curvature tool. Remember one thing. The Curvature tool is much easier and smoother than the Pen tool. Double-clicking creates a corner or a straight line, while with a single click we can draw a curve. This tool is also a bit sensitive. It tells you where to put the next point. Well, now we redesign the same logo with the help of the Curvature tool. So you get an idea of how this tool works? I will speak less during this time, but you will get full guidance on where and how I am clicking. So let's get started. If you want to make a point later round or hard corner, you can also double or single click this point later with the curvature tool. You can see how easily I am drawing this shape. Both pen and curvature tools are great, but I prefer to do most of my work with curvature tool because it works very quickly and smoothly. We have done. Now we take the selection tool and bring our shape down and color it. I am sure you have understood well. You can also create your own freehand drawings and designs with these tools. With the help of these tools, you can design everything that your mind can think of. Practice well. Practice is perfection. If you have any suggestions, please write in the comments box. I am going to teach you a lot more after this course. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share this channel. This is your channel. Take good care of yourself. See you in the next video soon. Bye for now.